Hi friends, today as promised we're going to be making some Play-Doh together. You can make this at home with some ingredients you probably already have, or you could get it at the grocery store. I will put up the ingredients list next to make sure you have everything. Once you're done making your Play-Doh, make something out of it and send me a picture. Can't wait to see. So you will need a half a cup of flour. Keep extra, I ended up using more than that. A half a cup of salt, a half a cup of water, and some food coloring. Okay friends, now we can start mixing it up. So first, we need a half a cup of salt. It's probably better if you use fine salt. I have half and half, that's what we have, that's light. Then you're gonna need a half a cup of flour. Then you're gonna need a half a cup of water. You can start mixing it up. So, if you want your Play-Doh to be all one color, you can add food coloring into the bowl. If you want it to be more than one color, once it's all mixed, you can split it and then add food coloring. So, if your dough looks like this, it's pretty wet. You can add more flour. So I'm gonna add a little bit more flour to mine, because that is too soupy to play with. There we go. Now I'm gonna add my food coloring right to my bowl because I only need one color. I'm gonna do red. That was 8 drops. We'll see how it looks. Can always do more. Okay. So it looks pink, but that's fine with me. Let's see. Still a little goopy. You can't really make anything out of that, so I'm still gonna add a little bit more flour. So I'm just gonna mix it till it's all incorporated. I decided to pick it up and mix it because I wanna make sure my texture is right. It's not gonna feel exactly like Play-Doh because obviously it's, you know, made out of flour, so it's a little bit, feels more like dough, like as if you were to make bread or something like that. But you can play with it just the same. Just make sure the texture is the way that you want it. You can add more flour, more water. So I'm gonna go ahead and make something. All right, so I added a little bit more flour to my dough to make it a little bit harder, so it would hold its shape better. And I made this little snowman penguin kind of guy right here. Make sure to do this on a hard surface, countertop, cookie sheet, because I have a feeling that it will stick to fabric. So be careful on that. And if you want to keep your creation forever, you can bake it in the oven. Just make sure you watch it, obviously, because the timing will vary on how big your creation is. And the dough, since it is made of natural materials, flour, salt, will last probably about a week, and you can keep it in the refrigerator if you want it to last longer. So send me a picture and I can't wait to see what you make.